In front of me is Poco M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer, which is this one. When your app is ready, you don't have to launch it, but you need to open Devices Settings. After entering Settings, scroll down to hit Apps section available here. Now it's time to access default apps. In order to do that, use those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Other Settings from the pop-up. Then you need to hit Default Apps, select Launcher, click on Launcher Pro to apply it, and go back to tap on Allow in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wanna make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and manage all of those. If you wish to go back to your default launcher though, all you need to do is go back to the same section in your settings, which is default apps, and go back to Poco Launcher. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!